Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program have to accept two strings S1 and S2. Both the strings has balanced parenthesis expression. We have to insert the string S2 in S1 where the depth of the parenthesis is maximum. If two or more cases have same depth, then we have to consider the first occurring one. So our program have to accept two strings S1 and S2, and both the strings has balanced parenthesis expression, and we have to insert the string S2 in S1 where the depth of the parenthesis is maximum. If two or more cases have same depth, we have to consider the first occurring one. So now let us consider for our test case. This is the string S1 and this is the string S2. Now we have to insert this S2 string in S1. So we have to find the maximum depth. So we can see here, this is the maximum depth because here it is starting and it is ended, and here also, but here the depth is 3, so this will be our maximum index. So we have to insert our S2 in that position. So for finding that, let us have a stack which is equal to empty array and max depth which is equal to 0 and max depth index is also 0. So first we will add the first element, that is open bracket, to the stack, and if close bracket occurs, then the max depth will be changed to len of stack, so it becomes 1, and max depth index is also 1. So now we will be adding this open bracket and another open bracket and close bracket occurs, so max depth is equal to 2 and max depth index, the index is 4. So now after this open bracket, so 3 open brackets, so the max depth will be 3 and the max depth index will be 7. So like this we have to find this for all and so on. So now we have to insert the S2 in position 7. So this is the highest max depth in S1. So the output will be in the form of, first let us copy this S1. Output will be in the form of this, and in the 7th position we have to add this. So here we will be pasting it. So this will be our required output for this test case. Now let us implement our logic using Python 3. First let us get the S1 and S2 as input from the user. S1 is equal to input.strip and S2 is equal to input.strip, and let us have the variables stack, comma, max depth, comma, max depth index, which is equal to empty array 0 0. And now let us iterate over the for loop. If s of index equal to open bracket means, then let us append the s1 of index to the stack. So stack dot append s1 of index. If it is not an open bracket means, then we have to check for our condition. If len of stack is greater than max depth, then max depth is equal to len of stack and max depth index is equal to index. So after these conditions we will be popping it, so stack dot pop. Finally we will be printing the required output, that is s2 added in s1 string will be printed as our output. So print s1 of 0 to max depth index plus s2 plus s1 of max depth index to the last. So this will be our required code for solving today's DC.